Hey guys, today we're making an eggnog pound cake, and it's loaded with the rich flavors of the holidays. Perfect for any winter celebration. You don't want to miss this one. You want to start by adding room temperature butter to a stand mixer along with a 1/3 cup of shortening and cream them together. Now you want to gradually add the sugar and whip until light and fluffy. Give everything a good scrape down and continue mixing. Add the eggs one at a time and blend them thoroughly. Make sure you crack your eggs in a separate bowl in case there is a bad egg or to keep your batter free of shells. So here we have those beautiful holiday spices. We have our nutmeg and our cinnamon. And we're going to add this to our mix, and we're going to continue mixing everything all up. Now it's time to add our remaining ingredients. Here we have some flour, and we're going to whisk or sift the flour. We also have some nutmeg. Oh my, such a rich cream. Okay, we're going to add the flour and eggnog, alternating into the sugar mixture, starting and ending with flour. I just added the last of the eggnog, and now I'm adding the vanilla extract before adding the last bit of flour. Make sure you go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Today I am using an 8-inch tube pan, and you want to coat it well with a baking spray. I'm using my measuring cup to measure off 5 cups of batter, which is perfect for this pan. We're going to place our cakes in the oven, and we're going to bake them for 55 minutes. It's been 55 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and check for doneness by using a wooden skewer. Our cakes are done, and I'm going to let them rest in the pan for 10 minutes before flipping them. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and they are cool enough to handle. I take a sheet of parchment paper and flip them on. They look and smell absolutely beautiful. I'm going to cover them with some wax paper sheets and let them finish cooling. And while they're cooling, we're going to jazz up a glaze. This is a simple glaze. All you need is 2 cups of powdered sugar and some eggnog. Now I am using alcoholic eggnog, but you can absolutely use regular non-alcohol eggnog. So we'll start with 3 tablespoons of the eggnog. And as you can see, we need more. So we use a total of 5 tablespoons to get this consistency. We're going to add a few shakes of nutmeg. It adds flavor as well as a beautiful color. Our cake is cool and ready for the glaze. I really wish you all can smell my kitchen. It screams holidays. Okay, the wait is over. Let's cut into it. Oh my. This cake is so moist. Take a look at that. When I say good, this is good. And that crust right there just make me so happy. Y'all please give this simply delicious eggnog pound cake a try. You won't be disappointed. And let's talk about it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, life is good when you keep it simple. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.